Hello friends, this is an important notice which you should not ignore. If you are using the all-in-one SEO WordPress plugin, I recommend you to update to the latest version at the earliest because there has been a vulnerability which has affected 3 plus million websites. So if you just scroll down to this article, which is provided by searchenginejournal.com, I've also included the link in the description. You can go through it. Uh, the United States National Vulnerability Database published an advisory about uh, two issues discovered in all-in-one SEO WordPress plugin. Okay, so basically we'll just go down. We'll not go into the technical details. So one of them is known as CVE 2023-0585 and other is CVE 2023-0586. Now the first one is not that severe as per the report, but the second one is quite severe. Okay, so we'll just see here. The all-in-one SEO pack plugin for WordPress is vulnerable to store cross-site scripting via multiple parameters in versions up to and including 4.2.9 due to insufficient input sanitization and output escaping. This makes it possible for authenticated attackers with contributor plus role to inject arbitrary web scripts in pages that will execute whenever a user accesses an injected page. Okay, so recommended action is to update your WordPress all-in uh, plugin to 4.3.0. Okay, if you want more details, I've added the link in the description, and also you can go through these links to learn about the issues as well. I hope this video helped you, and